Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today we are working with Beauty Forever Hair. So thank you to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. We are going to get into it, okay? These wigs, they start coming in a bag. Phenomenal. We're just going to take out everything that's in the package. This bag is beautiful. Can use it as a makeup bag. Yeah, I like that for me. Now we are gonna go inside and see everything that we got. Wig cap, nails, more wig cap, and a edge band. Now this is the wig, and it is a Bye Bye Knots lace wig 7x5 closure, okay? And kinky natural, kinky straight. Let's get into it. So this is how the wig looks. Always secure. I love the feel. Oh, it's a drawstring at the back. Perfect. So it's a 7x5 lace, and we have combs on both sides, and I assume there's one at the back. And you guys know I love a comb at the back of all my wigs. We have the adjustable strap. Perfect. The lace is already cut off for you, so it's easy installed. You can just slip this wig on and you're good to go. What I like about kinky straight is that you don't have to always flat iron the hair. In this case, because of shipping, we will look at that drawstring. You can go ahead and tighten the wig. Look at that. See how snug that becomes? So if you have a small head, you don't have to worry about the drawstring. This is gonna help, okay? There's 3 different ways on this wig to secure your hair or secure the wig. We have the drawstring, we have the adjustable band, and we also have on the wig itself the adjustable. So perfect. I'm gonna get into this and I'll be back. The drawstring fits all its sizes, it's easy to wear and safe, and simply adjusts like a 360 lace wig. It's perfect and I love it.
Then dip me underway, you can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
I can't believe everything we have left.
Alright guys, so I love the side way. I'm not gonna lie. It is cute. Now all we are gonna do, I told you guys like we literally didn't need to flat iron this hair, but we're gonna go in and I'm not gonna touch anything on the hair. We're just gonna go in, use a flat iron and fix the hair, and that's all. I did a little bit of baby hair situation on the side just because I wanted the look, because it's a straight hair, I wanted it to have some type of flex to it, if that makes sense, instead of just having it like that. And so I did it with the small baby hairs just to the side. So I'm gonna go in and we're gonna go through with the sections by sections just a little bit and bring it straight down. The only reason I'm even going in with the iron is because it came in a package, and with all of that you want to make sure that it is bone straight. I love kinky straight hair because it doesn't get tangled easy. It is all natural. It is it can take the heat, okay, but it is of a more coarse texture, and it's hard to even bend. It's hard to not keep it straight. So that's something that I like about this type of hair, and I will forever wear it. The first time I'm doing it, I was very skeptical, but absolutely fell in love, and the rest is just history. So all you're gonna do is just use the iron and go through, and you should be good. I'm done with this side. And the most that need the iron was mostly the ends, just because like I said, with shipping and everything, like look at that, bone straight. I'm gonna start around the back with this section. We are gonna go down less than 5 minutes and you can have your hair bone straight. The wig came in a middle part, and you guys saw that we're doing a side part. So it doesn't matter how the wig comes, as long as the wig can freestyle, it's a good wig. And I love that about this one. I was thinking about cutting some of it, but honestly I don't. I want to keep it just as is. Beautiful. We're completely done. Beauty Forever, you did this again and I love it. I don't want to touch it. I want to keep it like this because I'm going to wear it out my face. Hence why I did the top like this. Guys, make sure you check the description. The link will be there. This is how it looks bone straight. We can go in. I like to do this with my kinky straight. Just gonna cut off some of it exactly at the end, like a ½ inch or so. This is optional. You don't have to touch your wig. Guys, make sure you check the description. Look at that, bone straight on both sides. I love it. I love how the lace is, and it's beautiful. Even though it came as a center part, we could freelance and we could do it in a side part. We can do anything. Yes, it is perfect. So thank you to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check the description. I know in a few hair videos a lot of persons were telling me that the link is not clickable. Sometimes when you have the views coming in that much, you could just copy the link and paste it and click on it or wait for later. But the links to all my hair videos are in the description. Make sure you click it. It will say something like direct link to the hair. You click on that. If you want to check out their whole site, you can go ahead. I recommend these type of wigs. I recommend this wig because it's perfect. For persons who don't know how to use a flat iron, trust me, you don't have to worry, because it doesn't have to be perfect, because hair like this is already bone straight and I love it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get cute. Like, we have to do a slow-mo. You ready? Because I'm ready. Come on, girl.
Only gotta make a call and I'm here. I'm the one to know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your hair. Make a stitch up, I want to put it in the rear. Wanna give me, I serve it like a dealer. You been out there, I'm digging in the middle. I'm back in your word, it can feel no better. told her right. She told me you know what. Have speed feeling like sirloin. Told the chauffeur take it, shit, she not stop. Never play with you, be a war.